and understanding where certain things come from. My wife and I go camping, and one time we arrived there, and it was very serene, and the water was lapping. It's on a big pond, and right at the edge of this campsite when we came in was waiting for us a beautiful shell in its hole, a half shell, and a lovely feather,
an eagle feather.
From an eagle. And she's a Reiki master and a psychic reader, and we use a lot of what's the one that you burn? Sage.
Sage.
So she said, "Oh, look at this! We have a nice something we could use to burn sage in and use the feather." And instead of looking at it as garbage that washed up, we looked at it as the gifts. These were the gifts that were waiting for us on this trip. And as you look at things, if you look at them as gifts, you have to be thankful. So it took a moment to pause and be thankful for those gifts, and a lot of other words came out as well. So you want me to check my tuning? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, please.
I call this the difference in the distance, and what I mean by that is sometimes your relationship with God is depending on where you are, not where he, she, or it is, depending on how you think of it. It's always there. It's depending on where you are is the distance from your relationship. And sometimes the difference in being close or not is the distance. All right, hopefully I can finger pick this all the way to heaven.
All right. It's a long distance.
Capo on the 4th fret. Here we go. Thank you for the gifts. I'm afraid I came here empty-handed. Thank you for the gifts. I'm afraid it's more than I can stand it. 'Cause I know that the gift is the eye of the beholder. And I know as I sit with a feather on my shoulder that perhaps, if only in this instance, the difference is the distance. The difference is the distance. Thank you for the gifts. I'm sure I hardly could deserve them. Thank you for the gifts. I'm sure you usually reserve them for someone who can see through the eye of the receiver. And I know you believe in that I am a believer. And perhaps, if just only for this instance, the difference is the distance. The difference is the distance. Nearer, my God, to thee. Nearer, my God, to me. You see through the eye of the endower. And if you can believe in that I have got the power, then it's true that in any given instance, the difference is the distance. The difference is the distance. The distance is the difference. The difference in the distance. Nearer, my God, to thee. Nearer, my God, to me. Nearer, my God, to thee. Nearer, my God. Thank you. Thank you very much. Well, I've got you in this mood. Let me just try a little something. My wife and I do a Reiki and meditation thing of songs we've written. Now, I don't write songs to make them in that, but I have written a number of songs that happen to fit in that category of meditation. And this one was done on purpose. We co-wrote this, all fairness. And it's just a release. It's a song called Release, and it's as simple as breathing in the good things and breathing out the bad. And you don't even have to think about it, because I'm going to tell you what you can breathe in and what you can breathe out. So if you just want to, it's not a long song, but if you want to give ourselves just a couple of minutes here, it's really a nice time to breathe and release. Positivity, breathe out negativity, breathe in inner creation, breathe out desperation, breathe in abundance, breathe out avoidance, breathe in love, breathe in faith, breathe out anger, breathe out hate, breathe in joy, breathe in peace, breathe out bitterness, just release. Breathe in consciousness, breathe out ignorance, breathe in enlightenment, breathe out resentment, breathe in acceptance, breathe out resistance, breathe in truth, breathe in light, breathe out darkness, breathe out spite, breathe in deeply, breathe sincere, breathe out jealousy, breathe out fear, breathe in hope, breathe out pain, breathe in the spirit again and again and again and again. Live each day in the moment. Don't hold on to the past. And you can't live in the future, or this moment will have passed. So let it go. Let it go. It doesn't serve you. Let it go. Release. Let it go. It doesn't serve you. Let it go. Release. it go. It doesn't serve you. Let it go. Release. Let it go. It doesn't serve you. Let it go. Release. Let it go. It doesn't serve you. Let it go. Release. Did I feel good? Am I the only one? It's a good for you. Amazing. All right. Don't want to sit down on.
Come, you'll meditate with us.
I played this song for Kenny and Sue in my apartment one day, right after I wrote it. And they said, really good, it's just one chord weird. Well, I fixed it. This is a song called In the Everywhere. Not here or there. From the calling of the loon to the whisper of your hand, to the rising of the moon, to be in the everywhere. Harmony is everywhere. Understanding in the air. Fit right in the Peggy Square. And I do. I belong in the everywhere. In the everywhere I go, where I belong. I belong in the everywhere, everywhere. In the everywhere I go, where I belong. From the slither in the sea to the telling of the tale, from the shouts of revelry to the stillness of the snail, coexisting everywhere. Love and peace is in the air. Fit right in the Peggy Square. Like you, you belong in the everywhere, everywhere. In the everywhere you go, where you belong, you belong, you belong, you belong. In the everywhere, everywhere. In the everywhere you go, where you belong. Harmony is everywhere. Love and peace is in the air. Fit right in the Peggy Square. Me too. We belong in the everywhere, everywhere. In the everywhere we go, where we belong, we belong, we belong. We belong in the everywhere, everywhere. In the everywhere we go, where we belong, we belong. You belong in the everywhere, everywhere. In the everywhere you go, where you belong, you belong. I belong in the everywhere, everywhere. In the everywhere I go, I belong.
Well, thank you. All right. That was the meditation song.